Understanding a rule of thumb. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English phrase, a rule of thumb. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. A rule of thumb is an expression that refers to a general guideline or principle that is not strictly accurate or reliable for every situation, but is useful for making quick decisions. It's like a handy shortcut or a rough estimate that people use in various contexts. The key here is that it's not a hard and fast rule, but more of a practical and easy method to follow. The phrase, a rule of thumb, has an interesting history. There are several theories about its origin, but one of the most commonly cited is that it dates back to old carpentry practices. Carpenters would use their thumbs as a convenient measuring tool for small lengths, instead of using a ruler. This was not perfectly accurate, but it was quick and generally effective for their needs. This historical usage perfectly encapsulates the essence of the phrase, a simple, practical method for estimation. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Cooking. As a rule of thumb, use 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. 2. Budgeting. A good rule of thumb for saving is to put aside 20% of your monthly income. 3. Exercise. A general rule of thumb is to do at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily. In each of these examples, the rule of thumb offers a basic guideline that works well in most cases. Now, how can you use this phrase in your conversations? Remember, it's best used when giving advice or suggesting a guideline that is not exact but generally useful. For example, if someone asks you about a quick way to make a decision, you might say, well, a good rule of thumb is to consider what will benefit you in the long run. And that's a rule of thumb for you. Remember, it's all about those helpful guidelines that aren't perfect but generally work well. We hope this video has been informative and helps you use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.